This is called wireless doorbell. Like people come and visit your house, or you put in a shop, then there's a visitor come to your shop, right? You can hear the doorbell, it welcomes you. So it's like adjustable. As you can see, it is very adjustable for this. 4 language for welcoming, including Malay, English, Chinese, and Thai. If I move, it detects.
Hello, welcome.
So press this one.
Hello, welcome.
This one, it changes the tone of the sound.
Hello.
Alarm is to let.
Hello, welcome.
And this one, and the lower the sound.
Welcome.
It's like it's a volume. It's like from 5 to 10 meters within the range. So the effective angle is 110 degree for the exact angle. So sound depth is about 75 to 95 decimals. Double-sided adhesive tape. So it is used to like stick on your door entrance for your doorbell. So it sticks like this on top. Use this two sticker. You cover both sides.
Hello, welcome.
You cover both sides here. It narrows down the angle detection. And this one, we also comes along with the bag of screw. You can use this the USB power cable as a replacement for the battery. 9-volt power cable, you can use our existing phone adapter. The phone adapter like that. Like this already. It has 2 colors.
Hello, welcome.
It has black and white for 2 colors.